How to create spinning and changing elements effect in Wix Studio. So in order to create those, what you can do is you can just head over and then choosing here an element that we want to add those particular effects. So for example, we have in here this element, which is our news and update. You can apply it on any element that you want right here. So it can be a text, it can be a particular section, or it can be any video or image. So just select in your element that you want to apply it with. So I will apply it into this element. So you can just head over and click onto that element, and then from in there click onto this inspector icon right here. Now once you have clicked on that, you can see in here these options for animations and effects. Click on that, and in here we can see this. So since you want the spinning or changing element, you can input right here an entrance based on that. So we have fading, we have bouncing, and since you want spinning, we also have spinning right here. So it will already be added right here into the entrance of this particular effect. And as you can see, that is what that looks like. So we also have changing elements. So you can choose in here which one you want. You can click on it right here and click on the this add option, and then just choose other options or other effect that you want to apply right here. So that's how you create spinning and changing elements effect in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.